So I'm standing up in the proper position, and it just feels like I'm ready to fall forward. But when I look in the mirror, I see that I'm almost straight up vertical. So it's an optical illusion of sorts, but actually it's a kinesthetic illusion, more precisely. So, but I'm excited to have this become the normal feeling, because it isn't now.
Hi guys, Veteran Posture Prime. So that was a great wee clip from Dr Mercola on his posture awareness and connecting with his posture and how he felt really trying to realign with his posture. I thought it was great. We're so disconnected from how we feel with our posture. Sometimes we think we're upright, but we're not. But once ever you start to line yourself up with a mirror, then you really see and feel what's straight. It's a completely different ball game. So I thought that was great. It's also great to have a top doctor like Dr. Mercola bringing more awareness to posture and the importance of posture. We all take it for granted. A lot of people feel like posture, it's more to be more appearance based. It's like, oh, okay, it's good to have good posture because it looks good, but actually the benefits go far outweigh the benefits just looking good. With good posture, you have better blood flow, better circulation, better nerve flow. You also have, it also works better, your organs function better, and it takes pressure off your spine and muscles, so it far outweighs just appearance wise, but also becomes more approachable. So with Dr. Mercola, there would be 3 exercises that he would have been using to help him create more awareness around his posture. So the top 3, and I'm going to link them down below. The first one will be the corpse pose, because that really helps to level out the body and any tight spots. The second exercise he would have used would have been the wall stand to help to realign and strengthen the posture and fine line. And then the third exercise he would have used would be head nodding, because that'll then help to find his balance throughout. Those 3 exercises there will help you connect with your body visually and also just spatial awareness, and you'll link into what Dr. Mercola was talking about. So remember to take your posture serious, and it's not just about appearance, and I also hope that you get the benefits from it there. And remember that it's more than appearance, it actually has full body function, and wherever we're going to get old, we don't want our posture to start to go and everything to start to break down. So keep working on your posture, guys. Remember the exercises there. I have other videos as well on my channel that also help with posture, and I encourage everyone to take control and to really get their health back, starting from the posture and getting that whole structural integrity back in place. Anyway, love connecting, love sharing. If you'd love to hear any more, or you want me to share any more videos about posture and exercises, just link it down below, and I'm more than happy to share my knowledge. Anyway, I'll catch you again, guys. Bye for now.